And hello, welcome everyone. Okay, so this is a video about vimium. Okay, vimium. So vimium is this great extension, especially for Vim fans. Okay, for Vim fans, which allows you to use Vim-like bindings in the Firefox and Google Chrome. Okay, but I'm on a Manjaro Linux here, so what I have is Firefox and Chromium, which is about the same thing. So let's get started with the install. Okay, Vimium Firefox. So I'll show you both the Firefox and the Chrome versions. So if you want to do Vimium Firefox, just go to Vimium. You search Vimium Firefox on Google, and yeah, just install it. Okay, I already have it installed, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to uninstall it. Okay, I'm going to close Firefox, and this is for another video for another time. I'm going to open it up. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, I'm on Manjaro and Vimium is not working, so I have to use the mouse now. So I'm going to look for Vimium Firefox. Okay, so just search that on Google and just click add to Firefox. It will ask whether you want to access data, read, modify bookmarks, blah blah blah. Okay, so it will say now Vimium is added. I will allow it to run in private windows as well. So it says, okay, the thing about Vimium is that it doesn't work on every page. So if you add it to Firefox, chances are you will see the Vimium bookmark here. If not, you can go and edit yourself. But by default, it kind of just appears. Or at least for my computer. I don't know about yours. Okay, so let's go through the basic navigation of Vimium. How do you use it? Okay, so let's go with up, down, left, right. Okay, up, down, left, right. So I'm going to have open a new tab, and let me just show you the Vimium cheat sheet. Okay, Vimium cheat sheet. So Vimium cheat sheet by Liquid. I think this one is better, the GitHub IO. Yeah, so this one's for Chromium. Let's go with up, down, left, right first. So for Vim, okay, you use H, J, K, and L to go left, down, right, and up. So to scroll down and up, you just use J and K. Okay, you use J and K to go up and down. This is the very basic scrolling. H is to your left on a QWERTY keyboard, L is to your right. So if you have a very big page, tendency is that you will use the H and L. But for the most part, you will use J and K. So J to go down, K to go up. So so just take a while to get used to this first. You can pause the video and try it on your own computer. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to show you the next most important thing. How do you open links in Firefox Vimium? Okay, so if you're on Firefox and you're using Vimium, okay, and you want to, let's say, click on this link right here. Okay, normally you have to use the mouse to point and click, right? Okay, so for Vimium, the whole idea is to get your hands off the mouse as much as you can. So if you want to click a link, it's very similar to finding a word. For finding a word, you use Control F, and then you cycle through all this, right? For Vimium, if you just want to open the link, press F, and then you'll see all these letters come up. Okay, I'm gonna press the escape button. Okay, press F again. Okay, make sure Vimium is enabled on the top right. Okay, so yeah, I want Vimium to be enabled on this side, so that's why I kind of cleared everything. But anyway, that one's not the focus right now. Okay, so press F, escape, F, escape, F, and escape. Okay, so get used to toggling between these modes. Okay, and the moment you see all these letters pop up like S, A, F, S, F, G, all of these things, you will be able to start clicking on the link without using the mouse. So for example, if you want to click on this link here, you see the word SA. Okay, just type SA here, and then you will go straight to the search bar. So I can search for vim, and you will just it will just search. Okay, so press F again, press G if you want to go to vim. Okay, again press F, and then you will see letters pop up on almost every clickable link. Alright, so how do you go backwards and forwards? Okay, that's the next thing. You want to go backwards and forwards. This is very important. So to go backwards and forwards, well, here is another use for your H and L keys. Okay, H is to go left, but on a graph and in a modern like English language, most languages except the Middle Eastern languages, left is backwards, right is forwards. Okay, so left is backwards, right is forwards. Okay, so the way to do it is just to hold down the shift key, and go press H and you will go back, press L and you'll go forward. Okay, so get used to it. Okay, so left is backward, right is forward. Okay, and left is down, right is up. That's how you kind of get used to the whole key of Vim, because K and L are towards your right, so right and up kind of go together. I mean on an English language kind of a setup, or you think of it in a graph format. Okay, in a graph format, in a X versus Y graph, right and up are kind of together in the same quadrant, left and down are also in the same quadrant. Okay, so I mean they are more or less in the same direction, right? So that's the idea you want to go. So practice H and L to go backwards and forwards. Okay, and F to open new links. Okay, if you don't want this, you press H. But as you can see here, vimium is disabled, so not every page runs vimium, unfortunately. Okay, but for things like YouTube, right? For things like YouTube, okay, so I can go YouTube. Okay, YouTube has vimium. Okay, YouTube has vimium, so you do not need to worry if you don't want. Okay, I tried to go back. Okay, so just press escape and capital H to go back. So yeah, good thing about this is that YouTube does allow vimium to work, so that's a very nice thing. You can just surf the web, use the forwards and backwards. All of these things will help you to get used to the vimium key bindings. So these are the most basic, okay, the most basic ways to get started with vimium. Okay, the H, J, K and L. Okay, H is for backwards, L is for forwards. Just press the shift key, and if you want to press links, if you want to open new links, press the F button, and then press the appropriate buttons here. And then for some pages, vimium is disabled, unfortunately, but for the most part, for a lot of popular websites like YouTube, Google, as you can see, it works on Google. I can go for Google Scholar, right? Google Scholar, and yeah, this thing will work. Okay, vimium, right? So this is this I can search in Vim over here. All right, this is of course Vim in Google Scholar will kind of have different meaning, different context. Okay, so just a few keys for you to learn: H, J, K, L, and F. Okay, press the shift key. Press the shift key to navigate forwards and backwards. Okay, shift H and shift L. Okay, to navigate forwards and backwards. If in doubt, just press the escape key. That will allow you to search. Okay. Okay. So if you want to select links again, press the F. So F, H, J, K, L. Escape and shift. So these are 6 keys that you kind of want to first get used to when you start Vimium, and that will give you at least some basic ways to go around. There are lots more shortcuts, but this is probably where you want to get started to get some basic functionality out of web using purely your keyboard. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you again.